MINGDIBAO Tech Smartbett Review, the all-in-one bedroom solution that replaces everything. You're standing in your bedroom surrounded by mismatched nightstands, a dresser you hate, a charging cable mess, and a speaker that never stays connected. Last month, I watched a friend try to fit a new bookshelf into an already cramped room and just give up completely. That defeated feeling when your bedroom feels chaotic instead of restful. Drop cluttered if this sounds painfully familiar right now. Every morning starts with hunting for your phone charger buried somewhere, tripping over furniture corners and mentally calculating how to fit one more storage box under that overloaded bed. The suffocating awareness that your bedroom is storage chaos disguised as a sleeping space. I once missed an early meeting because I couldn't find my laptop charger in time. Relief exists. Something has to shift soon. This is where the MINGDIBAO Tech Smartbett enters and everything changes completely overnight. Don't just grab any smart bed. Make sure it has genuine leather upholstery with built-in massage, USB charging, Bluetooth speakers, and a hidden safe, so you never deal with bedroom clutter, furniture overload, and cable chaos everyone complains about again. The wooden structure supports a comprehensive storage system, including dresser boxes, underbed hydraulic storage, integrated bookshelves, and a fold-out laptop table, all wrapped in premium, genuine leather that breathes luxury. The massage function delivers targeted vibration therapy across multiple zones. Bluetooth speakers stream sleep playlists wirelessly. USB ports charge devices directly from the headboard. The built-in safe stores valuables discreetly. Picture this: a busy marketing manager working late folds out the laptop table, streams focus music through built-in speakers, finishes a presentation minutes before the deadline, stores the laptop safely in the headboard compartment, activates massage mode, and falls asleep stress-free, all without leaving the bed. Available in 4 sizes, including California King. One detail most people miss: the safe is invisibly integrated. Drop smart if this sounds overdue. This transforms your entire bedroom permanently. Here's where this stops being furniture and becomes your bedroom command center that simplifies life in measurable long-term ways. Time saved by eliminating 5 separate furniture pieces translates into stronger focus because your space finally feels organized, which leads to better daily control over your environment, which creates measurable results, like actually enjoying your bedroom again instead of just tolerating chaos. A smart home furniture analyst confirmed the MINGDIBAO integrates practical tech seamlessly, addressing genuine user needs while delivering space-saving, multifunctional design that urban dwellers desperately need. One interior design influencer mentioned the genuine leather feels high-end, while the bookshelves and mini keeper compartments stay functional without looking cluttered at all. A verified couple reported the bed eliminated both nightstands, a separate dresser, and a standalone speaker, making their bedroom feel twice as large and instantly more polished. Personally, after testing the massage function for 2 weeks, I noticed my pre-sleep routine became something I actually looked forward to instead of rushing through exhausted. Now, about the price concern. Calculate what you would spend buying a quality bed frame, dresser, nightstands, Bluetooth speaker, and safe separately. This consolidates everything into one smart investment. The customizable sizing means it fits your exact room dimensions. Which feature would transform your bedroom the most? The wooden structure doesn't creak even with active use. Social proof keeps growing daily. Your bedroom stops being storage overflow and starts becoming the organized, tech-enabled sanctuary you actually deserve every single day. Join the thousands of homeowners and apartment dwellers already experiencing genuine leather luxury combined with intelligent multifunctional design that simplifies everything. The MINGDIBAO Tech Smart Bed with massage, Bluetooth, USB charging, hidden safe, and comprehensive storage, waiting in the link below, delivers calmer mornings, faster access to everything, and total bedroom control. Link in description and pinned comment. Click and experience what organized bedroom living actually feels like today. Results may vary based on room size.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.